You're too late. Okay, technically, it's the last snow. A lot of it. And that's all the cars you can see are pretty much stuck. And some people had to leave their cars here. Like that person. Well, actually, that's my van. So, yeah, there's people doing everything. So, catch you later. Bye.